Hello CSI aspirants. Today, second day 2. Today we are going to discuss about the syllabus of CSIR-UGC NET of specially life science. So it is very important for us to look over the syllabus and the planning of 3 months. Okay, as you can see that today video we are going to plan our syllabus according to a 3 month, because we are expecting our exam in Feb or March. Okay, so according to that we are going to start it. Okay, so as you can see that there are few units, like there are few units which is underlined, and total 13 units are present in the life science. The first unit is biochemistry. You can say it by short form, like the overall topic is molecules and the interaction relevant to biology, that is a biochemistry. Second one is cell biology, which is a cellular organization. Third is fundamental organization. Fourth is, that is the molecular biology. Fourth is cell communication, cell signaling. Fifth is developmental biology. Sixth, plant physiology. Seventh is animal physiology. Eighth is inheritance biology. Ninth is diversity of life forms. 10th is ecological principles, evolution, applied microbiology, methods in biology. Okay, so we have 3 months in our hand, that is December, January, Feb. In December we already lost, we don't have 7 days with us. Okay, we are so apart lefting that, if we cut out that 7 days, we are left with 83 days. Okay, overall. So what we are going to do is, first of all, if I'm saying this, biochemistry. Okay, so biochemistry, each subject will give the 7 days. Okay, 8th to 14th. So our calendar, you can take the calendar from this video, that 8th to 14th we are only learn about the biochemistry. Okay, and after that from 15th to 21 we are going to see the cell biology. Okay, so again 7 days. So in between of what we are going to do is, on 15th we are going to revise the whole biochemistry, and between we'll do the PYQs too. Okay, so PYQ is really important for that. So every day we'll do 1 hour PYQ, which you are going to do it by yourself. At the end of all the subjects, we will definitely do the PYQs, but because of before that we have to complete our syllabus first. Okay, after that what, again for molecular biology we'll give the 7 days. Okay, so simultaneously every 7 days we'll consider our series wise. Okay, so there is some information for two kind of students are there in the life science, especially like some have the plant background, they'll prefer the plant physiology, right? Because these are the underline is my preference, especially it is designed for me and for that kind of student. Okay, I'm not going to cover the animal physiology first, then diversity, then applied and methods, because my background is not of animal. So if zoology students are there, they can prefer the animal physiology. If they plant, they can consider plant biology. If the microbiology or bioinformatics or a biotech student, they can prefer the whichever, both of them, like whichever is most suitable to them, and they can prefer that. Okay, so approx we are targeting 10 units, like 9 to 10 units. Okay, and according to that each subject will target us 7 days, and in 7 days we'll cover all the theory, and which is covered by my personal notes and theory, and in between that everyone in their do the PYQ your by self. Okay, so basically these are the syllabus, like the detailed syllabus, molecules and interaction, then cellular organization, fundamental process. You can take the printout so that you will track your preparation according to that. Okay, so For each subject, you can prefer my notes, you can prefer your pathfinders, prefer standard books, like topic wise. Don't focus on, cover all the subject by the all the standard books, because that will not going to possible in 3 months. So that is I'm saying. Okay, so yes, cell signaling, few topics that you can see. Okay, I'll give the detailed description. In the biochemistry, will cover all the subject. In cell also will cover the all the subject. Yeah, approximately. In molecular too. In cell communication and cell signaling, we're not going to complete. I'm not going to consider the whole unit 1, unit A, because that is not my preference. That is why you can skip the MNO2, because the question is deep. At the same time, very less question is arise. Developmental is basically for me it is new subject, so we'll learn slowly. Plant will prefer all the subject, all the subtopics. Then animal, I'm not considering it. But if you need any type of guidance in this, and like the subject that I'm not going to cover, I'll give you a note. Don't worry of that. Then inheritance, yeah, we'll cover the genetics whole. Diversity will, yeah, I can discuss diversity too with you, but most of the time I myself, not prefer, because it's a kind of very mug up topics. So that is why ecology, I think we should consider all the subjects from Pathfinder and evolution. Pathfinder is okay for the ecology and evolution. And then applied biology and methods in biology, that is RDT, techniques, statistics. I think you can choose wisely which subject, which topic is of your interest. You can consider that. Okay, and depending upon the questions of the PYQs, you can consider that too. So yeah, that's it of all about the art planning. Like, this is my calendar, I can say. You can consider it every 7 days each subject. You can go, we'll go by series. Okay, we're not going in between of that. Yeah, in my calendar, I'm just to specify that we are going to complete cancer in 2 to 3 days. It is out, like it's a extra of what we are going to learn. So yeah, you can learn from that too. Thank you, all the best.